Hey guys, it is Monday morning, March 30th, and we are starting our third week of online school. I'm actually recording this Sunday evening, but you're not watching it until Monday morning. I know this is difficult and it's hard. I was reading some of your exit ticket comments from Friday in the form that you filled out, and one of the biggest things that you're missing right now is your friends. I encourage you to use social media right now so you can chat with your friends. You can see them. The Google Hangouts that we do, you can do that with each other. Make sure you're staying in touch with each other. Just a few things I need to go over really quick. Make sure you are checking Google Classroom every morning, and make sure you do everything that's listed. I try to give you like a checklist, a 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. Do this, this, this. And you need to make sure you're doing everything in order. So far, what we've done has built on each other. So if you skipped a few days and you went to something later, you probably were a little lost. When I assign things on iExcel, I can check how long you spent on it, and I can check your accuracy that you got. So like Friday, I asked you to go until you made at least an 80. Some of you quit way before then. Some of you just did one question and quit. I'm still taking grades, and everything that I ask you to do, is counting towards your grade. So even like the little exit tickets that you have to do in the Google Forms, those count. So on Tuesday and Wednesday, you guys are going to get a call about picking up report cards. They'll give specific times. When you pick up report cards, or others will be doing paper packets if they're going to pick those up, I have in clear totes by Homerooms your math composition notebooks. Most of you already have yours, but if you don't, you can grab your math composition notebook and use that to take notes in. And like for this week and next week, I'm going to be doing review things, things that we've already learned, probably you've already forgot about, but use your notes. You will have examples in there that you can refer back to. Friday we played a Kahoot, and I told you I would give you our winners. So with 96% accuracy, Tristan Lorenzo, you are our winner. Everybody give him one big hand. Coming in second, third, and fourth, you actually tied Caleb Larry Grindstaff, Sully Peterson, Justice Blankenship, and then in fifth place was Miss Paisley Pinland. Good job, guys. Thank you for participating. Another thing that I got from y'all's form that you filled out for me on Friday was, this is hard. You're saying, I can't learn this way and not being face-to-face with my teacher. Please, I'm begging, if you get stuck on something, all you have to do is email me or chat me. I even saw one of the responses that said, I don't know how to email you. If you will go to google.com, if you're in your Google Classroom, if you'll go over to the right-hand corner where like this little 6 dots or 9 dots or something like that, where it opens up your apps, you will see a button called Gmail. Click on that, and then you compose, and then you type my name in, and then you can send your message that way. If your Chromebook is messing up, not working well, I know Miss Stevens said something about using, I can't remember what she said, but if you need to exchange those, you have to bring your charger with your old Chromebook. They will not give you a new one unless you bring the Chromebook and its charger. So make sure you bring both of those. Arts teachers, if you have not went into your arts teachers Google Classroom yet, go to the CRMS homepage, and there's a link with codes that you need to put in. I know they've not heard from several of you. Looking over here at my notes, make sure I get everything in. So that is all for today. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I hope you enjoyed the weekend. It was absolutely beautiful. But we're back to work for this week. And again, if I have not spoken to you through email or through chat, or if you've not come to one of my Google Hangouts, email me. Let me know you're alive and you're doing well. I will be trying to schedule another Google Meet sometime this week. I'll set up a couple different ones because I know some of you sleep late, and then some of you are up early and getting at it and getting your work done. Good job. Thanks for your hard work. And just remember, I'm here if you need me, and I love you guys.